This is Clover's first time in a little sling. This is my friend's dog sling. I think I'm gonna get him one. He seems really comfortable. Aww. So I was at my friend's place and my friend's puppy had this sling and Clover tried it out and he really liked it, so I got him one. This is in the beige color. I think it matches Clover really well, but this is his first time in his own sling and we're gonna go out for a walk now. He's really comfortable in this sling. It's like really big inside, so I recommend it to anybody who has like a small size dog. I think this one fits up to 6 kilograms. And Clover right now is currently around 2 kilograms, so it's perfect size for him. Clover, are you ready to go out? You ready to go out? All right, let's go for a walk. Clover, are you enjoying your walk? It's kind of breezy today. This is his first walk in Gangnam.
사실은 여기가
Woo. So windy, wow. I'm really glad I put some clothes on for him because he would have been really cold. So windy. Clover, do you like the breeze? Brushing Clover's fur. So calm. I don't think he really likes it because his fur gets like tangled easily, but I give him snacks while I comb, and I think that's why he lets me comb like this. Clover will literally do anything for food. Oh, I'm sorry. But yeah, if you can see here, a lot of his fur comes out when I brush his hair. Oh, okay. 알았어. So Clover finished brushing his hair. He looks much better. And now I'm gonna give him this snack. This is like a dry beef jerky. It's a little big, so I'm gonna cut it into some pieces and then give it to him. Clover. Clover, 앉아. 기다려. 먹어. 옳지. Good boy. 옳지. Good boy. 앉아. 기다려. 기다려. 먹어. 옳지. I don't understand why my puppy is sleeping like this. He's literally twisted his body like a Twizzler. Okay. Wow, he's so long. Yeah, okay, well, I guess if he feels comfortable. So I just got Clover some more toys. I got him a watermelon, a banana, and also a carrot. The carrot and the watermelon both squeak. But then the banana here, it's very interesting. This one like has a crinkly sound. And so Clover likes the banana one the best. He's been playing around with this one all morning. Maybe because it sounds different and feels different. I really like these new toys because they're super colorful. And I love getting Clover new toys to see his reaction. It seems like he really likes these ones. I think Clover likes toys that have some sound to them. But it looks like he's really enjoying them. Look at how he has all of them next to him. It's so funny and so cute.